Yes, I failed. I broke the screen. But on the plus side, I installed a proper light above my desk and lengthened my desk so I can work on and potentially repair up to 50 or even 60-inch TVs. So, yeah, I broke this, but it was because of my own incompetence. I didn't know that I was getting impatient, and that is something you cannot do in time of the repair because you're gonna jerk the screen and you crack it. So yeah, if you feel impatient whenever you're doing a repair with a TV, just sit down, put it down, have a rest, and continue when you're calmer and more patient. So let's do some unboxings. There's no way I can mess this up, right? So, for pipe work, I bought these, what do you call these? A pair of pliers, scissors, scissor pliers. That you have to open it, and it closes slowly to cut the plastic or multi-straight tube. You have to close it all the way, all the way, all the way. And I tried it, it works perfectly. $4 I think, totally worth it. Let's see what the other packages hold. It should be... What did they send me here? Oh, these are some bits for my drill, screwdriver, whatever. These are the Phillips 2mm heads. Yeah. This is appropriate for some computers and TVs also, with the more pointy bits. This is Phillips 1. You can't turn them because I don't know why they have those heads like that. These mostly fit, but not really. If you really need to torque it to get it out, then it will jump and you need a bigger head. I mean a wider bit. Phillips 2mm. Yeah, Phillips 2. Okay, that was $2. Let's see this other one. This should be multimeter probes. They failed to send it to me, and now they arrived. $1. I had to complain online, and they finally said, well, okay, we'll send you some. For $1. Oh boy. They are already broken here. Okay, what do you want for $1? Some wires that support 16 amps? Yeah, right. But, yeah, I think I can work with these for a while at least. They are not repairable. Or can you pull this out? Maybe. Sometimes you can pull it out and resolder the wire. But hey, what? This is suspicious. This must suck if the wire is moving in and out. Oh boy. Yeah, $1. And one more thing. These are some magic pliers for plumbing. Let me just open it off camera. And ta-da! Okay, csavarkulcsok. Hancsici punkucsú. Doesn't it say in English? Batch number Success Courier. Whatever. This doesn't say anything to me. It's made in China. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh boy, some really annoying sticky thing. And ooh. It's just the way I imagined it. So these are for plumbing and they can open extra wide. Allegedly. My educated guess is that these will break the first time I try to use them. But yeah, it was $5. I think this could work. But they sound like empty. I mean, casting. Some sort of alloy and it's casted. And this will surely break. And one interesting thing that I don't know why others didn't design. You can take this out and ta-da, put it backwards. And then you have a flat thing here. So if you want to open something with flat thing, then you can. But yeah, they could have put something else there. I don't know. Also, in theory, you can turn something with this. Where did I put this? Fitting. Let's see. So you can, not that one, this one. Yeah, you can this one, but I painted this, that's why it doesn't fit. So if it's painted, then it doesn't go in. But yeah, this is a smart idea, but right now I need a slightly bigger one. So I'll use this part. 28mm I need. So probably the other way around, like this. And yeah, this should handle it fine. Like this. It kind of grabs it. But yeah, I'm skeptical about its strength. It kind of works. Okay, so that's about it for the unboxing. Some useful tools and yeah, where did I put the other one? The scissors. These are, I don't know why I didn't buy these before, but these are some very, very life-saving, should I say. These are very necessary for plumbing. I mean, for the heating system that has circulating warm water. I mean, I used to cut the tubes with a saw and then clean it up with a cutter. I mean, a box cutter. And yeah, that took out all my energy and couldn't focus really to do it right when you have to do 10 or 20 cuts and connections. Yeah. I wish I had these. These seem really, really, really nice. If they don't break. If they don't break, these are awesome. And maybe even if they do break, I will search for the original design that is made out of steel and buy that one, because this design deserves an Oscar. And this also. This is a really nice. Let me just show you. I have a toothbrush here, and you just and it's gone. Kind of thick plastic here, and wait, the rubbery part goes all the way through. I was wondering how they did this in toothbrushes, to have rubberized parts. It goes through. That's interesting. Well, anyway, see you in the next video.